So starting out here, we are going to type in username, password, and sign in, which will bring you to your dashboard. Here on the dashboard, we have 6 titles here that show you different metrics. I'll give total calls, calls answered, voicemails, from the unknown calls, only transfers, and the average call duration. And all of these are just from today. And then down here, we also have your recent calls, just a quick log of all of them from the last, couple hours. So if we want to send calls, now we just click on the send calls page and select our pathway. In this case, we will be using this one. And it will give us a download sample format or a file, which we want to click on. It will download. So it gave me this. You will want to put in all your information here. I have one saved here that already has everything filled in, so I will be using this. So back to here, I will upload that file. You'll choose your phone number. In this case, we'll label an option, so we'll be using this one. And choose your voice. Here we have a male and the female. We're going to choose the female. And then the next 4 here are voicemail twice, voicemail action, and the max duration. These are all auto-filled from the backend. So we'll go ahead and set the call. It'll be coming to me, you should see here.
Hello?
Hi, this is Olivia. I'm probably the most unexpected call of your day. I'll make it worth it. Want to hear something quick that might actually help you?
Sure.
I don't need training, I don't take breaks, and I'm already talking to hundreds of your prospects. Can I show off some skills?
Yeah, go ahead.
Feel free to ask me any questions you have about recruiting or business development outreach, and I'll do my best to provide helpful information.
How many calls can you make per day?
With Pete and Gabi, the number of calls I can make per day is virtually unlimited, as I'm a cloud-based conversational AI. I can handle thousands of conversations simultaneously, 24/7. Do you have any other questions about how I can help your business?
Nope, thank you.
Within go to call logs. And we should be able to send that call here, along with a relay call we have made.
Hello?
Hi, this is Olivia. I'm probably the most unexpected call of your day. I'll make it worth it. Want to hear something quick that might actually help you?
Yeah, so along with playing the call recording here, you can also download it if you'd like. And from there, we can go to Pro Analytics. This will show those same 6 tiles we had in dashboard, except on a 30-day, or you can change it to whenever you want. And back to dashboard, you can see what has been added to both total calls and altered ad that has been added down here and the recent calls as well.